Hello YouTubers, welcome back again. Today we are going to see how we can fetch our data from our tables and how we can print. So let's just start our video. I have already copied the code of creating connection object and cursor object. Next, let's just execute our MySQL query. Select star means all from your table name. In my case, it's user info, and that's it. Now it got executed, then you will get your result. So to fetch your all data, you have to call cursor dot fetch all. This method will fetch your all records and it will store in this variable. Now you can just print your data variable here. Now let's just execute our file. Let's just clear our terminal. Python 3 select data.py. Now you can see I got all the results we have inserted in our last couple of videos. Right. So you got the result. In some case, if you need only single records, that time you can call another method from cursor, which is which is for single, right? Single data. Cursor dot fetch one. Now this method only return single data. Okay. Again, let's just execute. Now you can see your query is the same, but this time you get only single record. So that means depends on your function or your method you're calling, you will get your results. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much guys.